Hi, my name is Leilyn Latawan, the founder of the Financial Warrior PH. I am a proud member and a financial educator of International Marketing Group. So today I want to share with you one of the most powerful books that changed the way I handle my finances. Ang title ng book na to, The Secret to Saving and Building Your Future. So this book explains very important financial concepts. So in this video series, I will be sharing you all the things that I've learned from this book. So let's get started.
Hello everyone, today I want to share with you a simple but very powerful financial concept. But before we get started, tanong ko lang, do you know how money works? Kung ang sagot mo ay hindi, don't worry. After this short talk, baka mas maging klaro sa'yo kung bakit mahalaga na matutunan mo on how money can work for you. Now, according to Albert Einstein, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it, while he who doesn't pays it. So, ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo ang tinatawag na the Rule of 72. So, whether you are saving for a goal or dealing with debt, the Rule of 72 offers a simple yet effective way to estimate the time it takes for money to grow or for debt to balloon due to compound interest. Simple lang. Take the number 72 at i-divide mo ito sa interest rate na ina-offer na investment mo. Ang sagot, yun ang approximate number of years na kailangan para madoble ang pera mo. So, example, you open a savings account sa bangko and si bank, bibigyan ka ng 1% interest. So, 72 divide 1, that would be 72 years. So, you have 10,000. So, magiging 20,000 siya after 72 years. Grabe, no? Tatanda ka na lang, hindi pa dumodoble yung pera mo. But what if you invest smarter? Let's say, you invest at 4% interest. 72 divide 4, so in 18 years, kung ikaw ay 29 years old at meron kang 100,000. So, magiging 200,000 siya at the age of 47. At the age of 65 naman, you'll get 400,000. Pero kung kaya mo makahanap na investment na merong 8% return, ganito ang mangyayari. So, 72 divide 8, so that would be 9 years to double yung pera mo. So, at age of 29, plus 9 years, at 38, you'll get 200,000. At age 47, you'll get 400,000. At age 56, you'll get 800,000. And once you reach 65 years old, you'll get 1.6 million. Pero paano kung makahanap ka ng investment that will give you 12%? Hindi ba't mas exciting yun? So you have 100,000 right now at the age of 29, nag-start ka nang mag-invest. So, 72 divide 12, every 6 years to double yung pera mo. So, kung makikita mo, at the age of 65, yung pera mo naging 6.4 million. So, the higher the interest rate, the faster your money grows. At kung hindi mo alam to, you're losing millions over time. Now, if you'll see the table, so the difference between 400,000 at 4% versus 12% is 6 million. So imagine, ito yung ginagawa ng bank natin. Say, you save in a bank, they'll give you around 3% or 4% interest. So ngayon, since alam nila kung saan mag-i-invest na merong 12%, so ang ginagawa nila, so they invest our money, and then, kung makikita mo, 400,000 lang yung binigay sa atin, pero yung profit nila sa pera natin is 6 million. So ganito kalaki ang impact talaga kapag mali ang investment vehicle na pinipili natin. Now, sabi nga nila, people who don't understand how money works, they end up working for money. While people who understand how money works, they let money work for them. Now, here's the big question. Which one would you like? Working for money or you let money work for you? So your life, your choice. But let me guide you to choose better. Hindi lang ito para sa'yo, para din ito sa pamilya mo at sa kinabukasan nila.
If you'd like to learn more about how you can get started with your financial journey, simply message me to book a free financial coaching session or sign up to attend our free financial webinar. Be part of our mission, and that is to change people from spenders to savers and help Filipinos create wealth for their families. IMG vision is to educate 30 million families by the year 2030. So join our movement and let's help more Filipinos become financially secure, live with no worries, and build a better future. So what are you waiting for? Join IMG now and let's start your journey to financial freedom. Now, if you learned something from this video, don't forget to follow, like, share, and subscribe.